Naki stumbles onto a glowing doorstep where a doorbell hums like a tiny gadgeted hive and rings with playful energy. Watching the sound translate into rhythm, he imitates the melody with his own clattering stones and instinctive stomp, turning noise into friendship. When a neighbor steps out, Naki pauses the ringing with a careful gesture, then offers his stone axe as a playful prop to show good intentions. The doorbell's laughter becomes a bridge as the neighbor smiles, inviting him inside for warm tea and quiet conversation. In that shared moment, the city feels less vast and more like home.